Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today we will spend the day at the Domaine de Val, which is located at Saint-Roch-au-Cap, 16 kilometers from Victoria, showcases the traditional Seychellois life in the early days of the history of Seychelles. This popular touristic location features the Maison de Planteur, or the house of the plantation owner, museums, restaurants, and the craft kiosk where artisans manufacture and sell souvenir items. The house in Domaine de Val estate plantation was built around 1870. The gigantic timber house, which once belonged to the Bailey family, was sold to the government in 1972. The plantation house stands on what was once known as the Saint-Roch estate, where coconuts and cinnamon were grown. A cinnamon distillery made essential oil for the export market. It epitomized the typical plantation house that was once common in the tropical islands of the French and British colonies. With this one we were cleaning the floor before, and I remember when I was 10 years old, my mom used, the floor was red with, I don't know what it was.
Like a wax?
Yes, with wax thing. And then I was like cleaning that 10 times, and then there were at least 20 steps.
Okay.
And just cleaning like that. It was tiring, but good exercise,
Just clean it and see how you were doing it.
Huh?
Just show us how you were doing it.
Sure. It was like this. And after that, it shines like really clean. That's a coconut, a dry coconut.
Yeah.
Look how it is. Like.
I made all these of coconut.
Yeah. This one with crushed garlic in it. Garlic, spices. That's wood.
Is still water in it?
I don't think so.
So from that they made it?
Yes, cut it in half and they work it out. I'm not sure how, but the iron.
Yeah.
Oh, I think they were putting charcoal in it. Yes, gets hot and ready to. The Domaine de Val was inaugurated in October 1988 by former President James Mitchell, who was then minister. The opening coincided with the third Creole festival, which depicts the Creole people's way of life, culture, music, and gastronomy. The government of the USA agreed to finance the project to create a craft village as a tourist, educational, and cultural center. The construction work started in 1985 and it took 4 years to complete. The project included 12 new craft kiosks to host the most important local craft and a restaurant that served traditional dishes. The new buildings were designed in a style that matches well with the architecture of the plantation house. Pottery, paintings, model boards, and clothing are some of the exhibits in the craft kiosk. The jewel of the village is the Gran Kaz, a beauty showcasing craftsmanship and carpentry with its wooden carved balustrades, a reminiscence of the Grand Blanc era. In the main house, visitors can see traditional furniture, including a Polak gramophone and an old John Boyce-made piano. The plantation house was renovated while retaining all the traditional aspects of the colonial plantation houses, such as the pitch roof, the dormer windows and garrets, the white veranda that encompasses the entire quadrilateral structure of the building, and of course the obligatory mansarde plinth on which it rests.
Merci.
Ça prend beaucoup de temps pour faire un bateau comme ça?
Comme celui-ci?
Oui.
Oui, il nous faut à peu près entre 4 et 5 mois.
Il y a beaucoup de travail alors.
Oui, beaucoup. Ben, ça va finir comme ça à peu près.
Wow.
Ah, d'accord.
Oui, il y a beaucoup de travail. « 45 ans.
45 ans. Wow. C'est mieux que la France ici? Vous avez vu?
C'est-à-dire que c'est pas mieux qu'en France, je préférais être en France.
Ok.
Mais pour le travail,
Mhm.
c'est moins cher ici qu'en
D'accord.
France.
Ok.
Pour faire ce travail-là, travail artisanal,
Ok.
et c'est beaucoup moins cher. C'est 10 fois moins cher.
Ah, d'accord.
Alors c'est pour ça que je suis ici.
Ok.
Merci
Et à vous?
bien.
Merci.
Ok, merci, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, bienvenue.
Merci.
Bonjour. Bonne année. Yeah.
This is so cute.
With a shirt.
Yes.
Pretty shirt.
Fruity. Oh. Smells like berries. 50 rupees each, or if you take like 3 pieces, it's 100 rupees.
Oh, yeah. Green tea.
Oh,
This is the island tea.
this might be accessible aussi. Oh, c'est azur. C'est azur, la tea, white, island.
Ah, ok. C'est beau.
C'est beau. Oh,
Vous pouvez faire une photo, c'est
oui, merci.
Et après, il y a un canne.
Il y a encore ici.
Un canne aussi.
Ah, ok.
Super, merci.
Et après, on a un autre, c'est Eku, mais ça, c'est de Bavaria,
Ah, ok.
l'Allemagne,
Ah,
mais
oui.
ils font juste un rempli ici.
Ok, ok.
Tandis que ça fait.
C'est local.
Oui, ça fait. Ça bouge, comme on dit.
Ah, ok. C'est local.
Ça, ils manufacturent here.
Ok.
C'est moins cher à Maurice qu'ici?
Ah oui, c'est
Beaucoup moins cher.
3 fois moins cher. Parce que ça dépend de la monnaie.
Hmm.
Oui,
Parce que nous, c'est une roupie, c'est 3 roupies.
Trois roupies,
c'est
ouais.
50 à peu près,
À peu
oui.
près, oui.
Ouais.
Mais nous, on dit 3 roupies.
Ok.
Ouais,
Ouais, ouais.
Et puis Seychelles, c'est 5 roupies indiennes.
ouais. Et vous êtes d'ici, vous?
Oui.
Ok. Pourquoi il y a beaucoup d'Indiens aux Seychelles?
Laquelle indienne?
Et les Indiens dans les shops?
Ah oui,
Les
mais là,
boutiques.
c'est un cartel maintenant. C'est
Ah.
un cartel. Mais disons, si vous voulez, avant même, quand les Seychelles étaient sous les Anglais, les Maurice, l'Inde, le Pakistan, tout ça, c'était sous les Anglais.
Mhm.
Oui, oui, oui.
Chine, une partie de Chine. Donc, les Anglais, ils les ont ramenés ici.
Guys, I don't know if you've noticed in our previous video saying that we were a bit confused seeing a lot of Indians on Mahé Island. So today we met this gentleman who explained to us that Seychelles was under British colony and it's them who brought the Indians over there to work. Nowadays, we can see them in construction and in all corner stores around the island. The Indians are taking over and they're bringing more and more their families to open other shops. These people have their own circle and they don't like to be mixed up. It was nice meeting this guy. If you're visiting Domaine de Val, come and say hello to him. He sells nice handmade craft and he's very friendly.
Super.
Sinon, j'ai fait le tournage, c'est le tour.
Ah d'accord, ça c'est le tour. Ah ok. Super. Ouais. Waouh. Super.
Ça, c'est le four.
Ça c'est la terre spéciale ça.
Oui, c'est l'argile.
L'argile, ok.
Mais à Maurice, c'est là maintenant, non?
Ah,
beaucoup.
j'ai pas vu non.
Oui, ici, il y en a, mais pas beaucoup.
Ok. So guys, after preparing the turtles, this will be similar as this one. Very beautiful craft they do here. And he shared with us his story in Seychelles, his grandparents and all that. So it's really interesting. So these turtles here, that's the same that we saw he was showing us. So yeah, he prepared and then he will clean it like that. He will empty the inside so it doesn't it won't be heavy after that. So otherwise it would be heavy if it is full inside. So he will empty it and then let it dry and then put in the oven and then we'll just cut it and paint it. So it's really nice, really beautiful stuff. Alright, so guys, if ever you come to this place here in Seychelles, so we really recommend you to come and visit this house and especially come to these shops here. So they're really nice people here and there's a lot of nice craft. They do turtles, they sell tea, you got everything that you need as souvenirs. So I really recommend this place. So yeah, don't miss this. How was it in the shop? The guy was alright.
Yeah, very friendly.
Yeah.
He explained like lots of things to us.
Yeah, and it is all his stuff is very cheap. I mean, it's not expensive.
Yeah.
Like other places. So
Yeah.
I think it will be the first shop as you enter.
The green one.
In the entrance, so that's the green one here.
You won't miss it. That's the
Yeah.
first one on the left side.
All right, let's continue our visit.
It's okay. That's alright. Are you from Seychelles? Nepal? So you speak English then? Alright.
वो हिंदी
Hindi?
हिंदी आता है
No.
वो संस्कृत तो बहुत
Nahi. No.
नहीं
No. Just no.
no, there are people in Portuguese or Gambia, some
They
people,
speak Hindi, yeah. Some speak Hindi.
but you look like a Creole.
Yes, we
Yeah.
don't speak Hindi.
But you are not from Seychelles.
No. From
He looks
Mauritius.
like Dalo.
He looks like my, yeah, he look like the same. I have a friend, he works at the hospital.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So we have papaya, that's papaya.
Okay.
Papaya, that's this is white cocoa, ilang ilang.
Oh yeah.
So lychee, there's a fruit de la passion.
Oh yeah.
So vanilla, ananas, geranium, cinnamon, passion fruit, papaya, mango.
Mango.
Thank you. And how long you been in Seychelles?
10 years.
10 years. Okay, you like it here? Yeah? Better than Nepal? Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like our video, please put a thumb up to let us know we're doing well. You can also share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to follow us on Facebook, MNY Adventures, for more photos. We're also on TikTok sharing our adventures. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you. Bye.